Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by assessing and prepping like a pro. Remove trim, sand glossy spots, and repair holes so the surface is flat. Once done, measure vertically and cut strips adding 3 inches for trimming. Organize them in order. Next, mix or activate paste per package, then apply evenly, cover edges and center, so adhesion is consistent. This step sets adhesion and alignment because poor paste causes bubbles and shifting later. Keep strips labeled left to right to avoid pattern mismatch. You now hang the first strip using a plumb line as your vertical guide, so the pattern stays true. Make sure you allow 1/2 inch overhang at top and bottom for trimming. Then smooth the paper from center outward with a brush or plastic smoother to drive out air and paste. For each next strip, match the pattern precisely and butt seams or overlap as specified. Use a seam roller gently to secure edges without tearing. This prevents visible joins and premature lifting. You finish by trimming excess with a sharp blade and straight edge, scoring lightly then cutting cleanly so corners and switches sit neat. Once trimmed, wipe paste residue with a damp sponge immediately. Make sure not to rub pattern off. Finally, inspect seams and rollers for adhesion. If you find bubbles, prick them with a pin and smooth. If alignment is off beyond 1/4 inch, carefully lift and reposition while paste is wet. This final care ensures longevity and a professional look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.